never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys this wig that I received from YGwigs. But before I get into the wig, I want to get into this packaging. So the wig did come in this box here, and as you can see, it's just a nice sleek box. It has YGwigs and then their website www.ygwigs.com, and on the side it has their email, Facebook, and Instagram. Now the wig isn't in the box right now because I've already taken it out, but I want to share with you guys some of the goodies they included inside of it. So the first thing they have in here is, of course, a pamphlet. So inside of the pamphlet, it tells you how to care for the hair, and it shows you the different styles of other wigs that they do have, and more of their social media links are on the back. Also included in the package, they have some wig caps, and I love when wig companies put wig caps in here. They also included some elastic to add if you want to put an elastic strap on the back of the wig, and some extra combs. One thing that I really liked from this particular company is they included a rat tail comb. Y'all, rat tail combs are so nice to have for wearing wigs because you need one when you're parting your hair and all that good stuff. And the last thing that was in the package, which the wig was in when I received it, is this little bag here. And it's just a drawstring with their, logo, YGwigs, and their website, and I think that's really nice. A couple of different wig companies are starting to include little bags like this, and you can just throw your wig back in this, so it's really nice to have. So now we're going to hop into the wig. I've already went ahead and washed it. I also let it sit in some apple cider vinegar because I always do that with all of my installs for wigs, weaves, clip-ins, everything. I rinse it like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and start installing the wig. Oh yeah, by the way, my hair has been freshly washed, and I just got this little t-shirt tied around it. I always like to braid my hair down when it is still wet because it helps to mold to my head better, because I only do 2 braids, and if I was to do these 2 braids on dry hair, no, it would not work. A wig would not sit on my hair flat, so this works good. So this is a 20-inch deep curly Peruvian 360 lace wig, and it is 150% density. So right now all I'm doing is cutting the lace off, and I actually had to kind of go off camera and finish cutting it off because I had to go around the whole perimeter of this wig, and I had to be focused so I didn't chop off any hair that I didn't need to. So now I've applied the wig, with the whole gots to be method and all that good stuff, and now I'm just wetting the hair so I can style it. Water is always like a key, for styling curly hair. And right now I'm, getting my part together. I don't ever like doing just straight back parts, so I like to put this little curve at the front of it. You see it right there? Yeah, because I don't like my part to just be straight back. It just looks too perfect, and yeah, I don't want it to look perfect. I want it to look natural. So now I am putting some mousse on my hair, and mousse is definitely another key that helps with molding and styling your wig. This is going to help it lay a lot flatter and not so wiggy. And right now I was trying to do that little flip thing that girls can do with their wigs. It looks so cute, so I was trying to do it. But anyways, now I'm applying more water just to work it into the hair. And when I washed this wig, I did leave some conditioner in it, so the curls look really nice. And I'm trying to be sure not to get the water too close to the lace because I don't want it to start peeling up, you feel me? So now I'm about to go ahead and pull out my baby hairs because, the lace kind of looks pre-plucked already, but I want to go in and kind of shorten up the baby hairs and pull some more of them out so it can look a bit more natural. And all I'm doing is just pulling it straight from the lace.
Lee on the beat.
Now I'm going in with some more mousse to, you know, kind of style my baby edges, baby hairs up real cute. I feel like my look isn't, you know, it ain't complete if I don't do the edges a little bit. It just helps the overall naturalness of the look. Like, I need the baby hairs, the edges to be nice. You know what I'm saying? And then I like to go in with some of the freeze spray from Got To Be to just kind of lock that in. I don't try to spray too much of it because, y'all, this stuff, when it say it freezes, it freezes. Your hair will be feeling crispy like some chicken. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, just combing out the baby hairs and chopping them up. And then I'm going to be pulling some of them out to thin out the hairline just a little bit more. And then I got my mousse, and now it's time to swoop. Honestly, doing them on this side isn't really necessary, but I just do it anyways because, you know, when you outside and the wind blow, I want them to still be, you know, looking nice and snatched. So we're gonna do them. And now I'm just spraying some more of that freeze spray. Some more of the freeze spray. Get your words together, Kadijah. All right. And now I'm trying to like lift up that area again like I was talking about earlier. Yeah, I'm really trying. Your girl is really trying to get it. I think it looks somewhat cute. So yeah, this is the look. This is the hair from YGwigs. Y'all, I really like this wig. Super soft. It's a nice quick unit to throw on. This didn't even take me long to put it on. Probably like less than 10 minutes. Like, seriously. So I'm gonna have all the links for this wig in the description box below. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Your girl is out.
Young black boy, black skin, that my brody. Young black girl, black skin, she so lovely. All my little homies in the hood, some of them thuggin'. But mother, for your standards, my head nappy, bitch, I love it.